moment I wake up, before I put on my makeup, I say.
Hi guys, this is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Yes. Wala lang magawa sa bahay, no. Today I will show you a simple yet stunning, or simple yet huwag na nga mag-English, yun na nga yun. Anyway, simpleng, ngayon, nahirapan din sa Tagalog. Ano ba naman to? All mixed up na kasi guys. Pasensya na. Anyways, simple makeup look using a brown or a warm tone. Is it warm tone? Anyways, pakita ko na nga lang sa inyo. I will show you guys. So, keep on watching. Let's start. I already nilinisan ko din yung face ko. I wash my face. I clean it with toner. I put moisturizer. Now, I'm just gonna put our setting spray. Yan. Setting spray. Setting spray. Ito, by the way, this is Fashion 21 Primer Spray. It says here, easy on the sensitive parts of the face and does not clog pores. Nilagay ko na siya. This is my, kumbaga, it's, nakalimutan. Primer. This is our spray primer. Yan, set and spray primer that we're gonna use today. So, as usual, you know what my foundation is. I'm using a Super Stay full coverage foundation, 24-hour full coverage foundation. I choose the color 120 Classic Ivory. Yan. Sometimes I'm ivory, sometimes I'm beige, depende. So, tip number 1 when you're buying your foundation, always because everybody has different skin tone, so try it over here. Ayan nga. Anyway, the sales lady will help you choose it. Try it over here, line it dito sa may jawline nyo, and wait for a little bit, seconds. If it blends on your skin, yung parang nawala siya guys, hindi maputi, hindi maitim, parang nawala lang, it means okay siya sa skin mo. Ganon. Yun yung mga trick na natututunan ko kala ate when I'm buying some stuff and buying some makeup. You have to check first. Try, check, and test it on your skin. Magpo-concealer. So, concealer. For concealer, guys, I will use this L'Oreal Infallible Full Cashmere ako, guys. Concealer yung mga dapat i-conceal, diba? So, usually I feel like putting concealer na. Concealer, sorry. Contour pala. This is a contour stick from Caroline. O, yan. I don't know kung may shade ba sila, pero, ito lang yung nakita ko sa market, eh. May color naman dito guys, so makikita nyo naman. So ayan. Ano na siya, oh, ganyan na siya. So usually I will do like this. Kaya lang better to use stick guys kasi medyo pudpud na siya. Usually ginaganyan ko lang siya, oh. Yun lang siya, oh. Diba? Ganyan lang. Kaya lang, I want to put sa nose ko din kasi. Sige, I will just do like this. Sa nose mo, mag-anta. Tapos dito. What's the use of contour, guys? Instant Pampapayat. Makikita niyo yung magic ng contour later. Lang natin yung nilagay natin na foundation and Maybelline gel eyeliner Eye Studio in the color of 02 brown. Yan. Etude House Perfect Brow Kit. Ayan. I hope you can see it. So, tatlong shade yung nandyan. Ayan. Ayan. Tatlong shade. Yung lighter shade, yung white, parang beige. Ano yun eh, sa panglinis yan. Dun sa edges ng kilay nyo. And then, yung lighter shade ng brown is dapat ilalagay nyo siya banda dito sa unahan. And darker shade dun sa dulo. So, simulan na natin. So, let me finish this and I will get back to you. Dun, 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 dun. Ayan na yung kilay, guys. Naayos ko na siya. Yan lang nakayanan ng lola nyo. Anyway, okay lang. Kahit hindi masyadong pantay yung kilay nyo. Kasi wala naman talagang pantay na kilay. And then, we're gonna prime our eyes para plakdado ang color na ilalagay natin. So, ayun na yung tapos. So, we're gonna use itong Maybelline din siya. Look, prime my eyes. Kahit nalagyan na natin kanina yan ng konting ano, pero i-intensify natin siya. semi-sweet chocolate bar palette. O, ayan. Kanya rin kaina. So, color na siya.
Mostly of the brush I'm using is Untitled. And what's thing is over here. Ay, hindi pala. Tama ba? Yeah, frosting.
Cocoa chili. And guys, cocoa. Lalagay natin yung, let's try this caramel color. Caramel.
A few moments later.
Guys, napansin nyo ba? Hinulok ko yung mascara and yung eyeliner. Watch it on the next video kung ano yung ginamit ko. It's amazing! So, this is my final look, guys. My simple day look. O, diba? Yan, we call it day look na lang. Ayan. Medyo mainit na kasi dito. Yan, this is my final look. Hope you like it. Diba? So, whatever works for you, do it. Experiment on makeup. O, diba? Bye! I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Turn me up, turn me up. Ha ha. This is my summer brown look. I don't know what I'm gonna call this look. And this is my simple look, guys. O, diba? For summer, masyado na kasing mainit dito. Yun. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. And remember to always be a blessing to others. I miss you, munchkins. Bye, guys. Mwah.